Hey guys, we are here today. I'm gonna show you how to make, how I make my wine, and there might be some differences between different types of wine and how much pulp and stuff is in it, to how many times you might rack it. But anyway, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it from picking the berries to the end product. I just got finished bottling this one here, and this is my blueberry wine. So this is the one I'm gonna show you how to do. It took several months to get enough footage to put it together. But I'm gonna just do a rundown. I'll probably break it down through a couple of videos, maybe 3 or 4 videos to keep them kind of short. And I'll show you how I ended up with this product right here. And all right, now that we got them picked, I'll show you a little bit of what we got. Got probably half a bucket there. Got us a couple buckets here. We freeze them, and we freeze them just in gallon bags, 2 gallon bags, 4 gallon bags, whatever you got. And I'll pull them out. Matter of fact, we'll pull them out right now. Go ahead and pull some out. Let them defrost. All right, guys, what we got here is I got my press. I got it all cleaned up and ready to go. I just put a little cup up under it to catch it. And normally what I do is, let me show you this. I got my 2 buckets right here. I got 15 pounds of sugar in each. And I put hot water in them. And then I put cold water on top just to cool it down so I don't put the juice and concentrate right on real hot water. So now, get my mesh bags. I'm doing 2 buckets. So normally what I do is I put 2 mesh bags in here. Got my berries here. I'm just going to put my mesh bags around a semicircle in here, and I'll fill them up with my berries. And I do, you can do 10 pounds. It makes a little light wine. If you do like I do, I try to do 13 to 15 pounds per 5 gallons. So what I'm doing today is 15 pounds of sugar, 15 pounds of fruit. So just watch what I do. I'm gonna press it out. It takes a lot of time, so I'm gonna speed up the video so you'll have an idea what we're working with. Okay. and we're going to back it off, and these bags go in the buckets. It's just going to make the now you could do it without the bags in the buckets and throw it out. It saves a whole step in the process, but these bags are going to give it so much more color that it's well worth doing, in my opinion. And actually, before I bought this press, I would just mash them up in my hand and throw them in there, and the yeast will do its own work. So they work their own fruit. Alright, that's the mashed berries. And all I'm going to do is just spin it around, tie the bag in a knot, and throw it in the bucket.